Hello my friends, this is Tech Lover. In this quick tutorial video, I'm just going to be checking out Google Play payment on my Mobile Legends game. First of all, I'm just going to check for my Google Play amount, how much I have here on this Play Store. Go click on this, checking for payment method, and as you can see, I have like 55 lira in my Google Play balance. But if I just want to use this balance in my Mobile Legends, I couldn't, and I just want to try it on this video. Let me close these things. Once I'm done, I'm just going to buy any stuff from the store of diamonds. Let me show you this one. Going to be okay. Click on agree, and as you can see, I've got this message. It's just showing me like I have 0 lira on my Google Play balance, but I showed you there was like 55 lira. It means I have a very big problem in my Android device. Now how to fix it? Go to setting, click on apps, then search for Google Play Store. Once you got in the Google Play Store, click to open it, then click on force stop, and then click on OK. After that, you just have to go to find out Mobile Legends, bang in the apps. Once you got in here, just click to force stop this game to here on these apps, then click on storage, then click on clear the cache, not the data, this one. Click on this, then click on OK. Get out of there, go back to Play Store, click on here and just go to payment method. What do we have here? More payment settings. Click on that, and we're going to check for payment settings. Here we go. We have two options here in payment center. One is Google Play balance, other one Turk Telecom. It's my number. I'm going to remove my number here and just click on remove if you have these kind of numbers, and just choose one. It's Google Play balance. Once you're done, close everything. Just go back here on your game to buy any stuff with that balance you have in your Google Play Store. So let's see, close everything, just go to store. Let me buy this one. I mean Crystal of Aurora. Click on OK, and here you go. I've got my money here. I'm just going to buy this stuff. As you can see, it's just showing me 55 lira here, and that's working great. I'm going to click on this to buy, and I'm going to click on subscribe, and here we go. It's processing. That's it, subscribe it. I've gotten my crystals, and it was way about how you can fix the problem. If you have this kind of problem, go do all of these setups I've done here on this video. After that, I'm sure your problems will be solved in Play Store. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.